Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making vegan pumpkin spice banana bread. So if you guys have two bananas that look like this, I'm going to show you how to turn it into pumpkin spice banana bread that looks like this. This vegan pumpkin spice banana bread is completely dairy-free, it's free of eggs, it comes together in one bowl, and it's so simple to make. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next we're going to melt 113 grams of coconut oil. You guys can do this in a heat-proof bowl using the microwave, or you can do it over the stovetop. So while that's melting, we're going to mix up our bananas and the rest of the wet ingredients. So we're going to add in 2 overly ripe bananas into a large mixing bowl. Now I'm just going to use my hand mixer today because this recipe is so simple, but if you want to use a stand mixer, you can totally do that as well. Now I just like to mash up the bananas with a fork. Next we're going to add in 113 grams of dark brown sugar, then 57 grams of cane sugar, and our melted coconut oil, and then 113 grams of pumpkin puree. Now we're just going to mix this on low until combined. And you're still going to see some chunks of banana, that's okay. Now we're going to add in half a cup of coconut milk. And now you guys can use any dairy-free milk that you like, I just prefer coconut. Then we're going to add in 191 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, of course we're adding in 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and then last we're adding in half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're just going to mix this on low until combined and there's no bits of flour. Now we're going to transfer this to a 1-pound loaf pan. I'm using a ceramic loaf pan today, so I don't ever grease this or put parchment paper in it because it releases so well. But if you're using like an aluminum or maybe a stainless steel, you might want to grease it or at least add some parchment paper. And then if you guys want to get that perfect slit down the center of your banana bread, all you need to do is take a butter knife and go right down the center. Now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. You just want to make sure that your banana bread is done. You can do this by sticking a butter knife right down the center, a toothpick, a chopstick. You just want to make sure that it comes out clean. And now we have delicious vegan pumpkin spice banana bread. This easy recipe reduces waste because it uses up overly ripe bananas and leftover pumpkin and combines it into one delicious dessert. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more cozy fall recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.